Welcome to the Nature Valley Classic, where the best female tennis players in the world are going to be competing here on Centre Court on the 16th to the 24th of June. This is a chance for kids to get on court with some of the best players in the world and perform the Nature Valley Classic coin toss. All you've got to do is upload a video with your coach and your friends at your venue and perform a classic coin toss, and you've got a chance of flipping a coin and getting on the Anne Jones Centre Court. To perform the Nature Valley Classic coin toss, one of your friends is going to throw you a 50p from off the screen.
Catch this!
Thank you! Your coach is going to talk you through the options. We have our Midlands team here that are going to have a fun competition, and Dean is going to call heads or tails.
Heads, please.
Heads it is! Dean, what are you going to do?
I'll serve.
Fantastic. These two are now going to be playing for the prize of a Nature Valley Crunchie.
Catch this!
Thank you! Enjoy. Remember, in order to complete your video, take your 50p and throw it off screen. Maisie from Worcester Tennis Club is going to tell us about her experience from last year. Maisie, catch this!
Thank you. I'm on the grass here at Worcester Tennis Club, and yeah, I had a brilliant time doing the coin toss last year. I met 2 times Wimbledon champion Petra Kvitova. It was brilliant.
And it's a very special day today for Maisie Wilson from Worcester Tennis Club. Maisie has the honour of being in charge of the coin toss on the Anne Jones Centre Court. There she goes. Well done, Maisie, thank you.
Right, now I'm going to help my coach set up some matches.
Kids, we're going to play some matches.
Yes! Heads or tails? Heads. Heads it is. What are you going to do? Sir, catch this.
Thanks, Maisie, and here's how to enter.